Yo guys, it's another day in my life, and I just decided to show you guys how a day in my life in Ramadan goes. So guys, this is 4:20 a.m. Wake up to eat suhoor, and I'm just eating some indomies. You know, so guys, come join me, guys, come join me. And so I'm just watching some Islamic channels. So guys, after that, I went to the mosque to pray, and when I came back, I took a little nap. Yeah, I took a little nap before the London session is gonna open. Yeah, guys. And then I woke up about 7:20 a.m. and then I just decided to go wash some clothes. Guys, so I just finished washing my clothes. So and it's already London session. It's after 8, and I just want to give you guys what I'm currently looking for on the chart on XAUSD and on GBPUSD. Just give you guys a bias of what I'm currently looking for, what I'm currently seeing, my analysis. Let's go. Yo guys, so we are now at the chart. So this is XAUSD. So guys, this is currently the daily time frame. So now why I zoom out to the daily time frame is just to see, okay, what are we currently expecting in the long term. So now if you watch, guys, this is the daily time frame, like I said, and as you can see, guys, we are bullish, right? We have been making higher highs, right? We've been making higher highs. So now what I'm currently looking out for now is because right here we also have a trend line right here, because now this is the first touch, then the second touch we also have a bigger time frame trend line. So now we also have like an inner trend line right here. So what I'm currently looking out for is because this high right here has taken out this high, right, this high has taken out this high, so we should be expecting a retracement, right? It's a retracement, so we should be looking more of sales, but I still don't care anything the market gives me. That's what I'm gonna trade, but we just a long term analysis and stuff. So now let me mark out the trend line so that you can see, guys. So guys, I just want to mark out the trend line. So this is the trend line I'm talking about right here. So now this is the second touch. Yeah, so that's the trend line, and as you can see, guys, so this is the first touch, then the second touch, then we should be expecting the third touch, because this high has taken out this high, right? This high has taken out this high, so we should be waiting for a retracement, or even price should still come up, because gold is crazy sometimes. So price should still come up and then come and retrace, and then even eventually might even break this, because overall gold has, this is the highest point gold has gotten to since the beginning of this chart, right? This, let me show you guys what I'm saying. Let me zoom out to the 1 month. So guys, as you can see, guys, this is the highest point gold has ever gotten to. This is the highest point gold has ever gotten to. So guys, now that we now have a clear bias of where we're going now, as a downtrend, we're currently in a downtrend. So now that we now have a clear bias of where we're going, we should be expecting more sales, right? And as you can see, guys, the price has broken this low. And here we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we're now having some sort of lower low, because this has broken this previous low. So now we are now in a downtrend, right? So now what I'm expecting now is for price to retest back to the zone. Let me zoom in. This is the 1 hour time frame, guys. Let me zoom in. Okay, so now we're waiting for a retest. As you can see, guys, price is already retesting back to the zone. So when price gets to the zone, we should be looking for a sell, right? And I told you guys I'm gonna be waiting for anything that has a neckline break, and pattern, consolidation. Just have a neckline, and then at the neckline break, that's when we're gonna be entering. You get? So let me. So we're expecting something like this. Expecting something like this. Just something like this, guys. Okay. But So we should be expecting something like this, guys. Price is going to push up to this zone. It's going to push up to this zone, and then a retest. We should have some sort of neckline, like I said, and then at the break of the neckline, that's where we're not going to be entering, right? So the consolidation I was talking about, we can have like a consolidation like this, and then at the break of this neckline, that's when we're going to be going in for a sell, right? And guys, we don't predict, we react, right? So price might break this zone, right? So if price break this zone, that means our bias is going to change, right? Our bias is going to change because we react, we don't predict. So guys, that's my analysis on XAUSD. So now let's go to GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, this is on the 1 hour time frame. So my analysis, so guys, this trade was the trade I caught last week Friday, but you know, price came all the way here. This was when I got out somewhere here, right? Because it was Friday and our market is going to close. So like I said, on GBPUSD, my analysis are always based on psychological levels. So, and it has helped me a lot in just simplifying things more and also knowing what I'm looking for in the market. So on GU, you should be expecting a retracement, because on GBPUSD also we're also in a downtrend, because like a retest in the higher time frame, you should be having some sort of retest back to this trend line. As you can see, guys, back to this trend line. So you have a trend line, so we are already having a bearish movement, right? So we're expecting price to come all the way back to this trend line. So we should be expecting price to still come down. So this is just like a retest. So now let me zoom in more. So this is a retest. This right here is a retest. So let me give you what I'm trying to say. So this is what I'm expecting. Price to come back to these psychological levels, give me some sort of candlestick reaction. If I don't see any candlestick reaction, I'm not going to be selling, because as you can see, guys, here we saw candlestick reaction, and then so if I don't see any candlestick reaction here in the 15-minute time frame, I'm not going to be entering. So when price gets here, show me some candlestick reaction, and then we're going to be selling, right? We're going to be selling. Maybe some sort of candlestick reaction, and then we're going to be selling, right? So this is what I'm expecting right here. This is what I'm expecting on GBPUSD. So on GBPUSD and on XAUSD, I'm expecting sales, more sales. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'm gonna update you if I see any trade, and let's see. Yo guys, so I just come back from somewhere, and I didn't see any trade for today, and this is currently after 3 days now New York session, and I don't like trading New York session. Okay. So so that was with that for today, guys. Kindly like and subscribe. Bye for now.